Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I thought it'd be fun to do a video all about sticker bombing my laptop. So I have a case on here, and this is just from Berga. It is like a pink marble case. Absolutely love it. But at school I see so many people with their computers covered in stickers, and I do collect stickers, which I have a whole video with my sticker collection in case you guys want to check that out. But I was like, you know what, I think it's time. I'm gonna sticker bomb my computer, and I thought it'd be really fun to share a video with you guys of me sticker bombing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do, and if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below because I am doing daily videos for the month of October. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos. But we're just gonna get into it. I'm super excited, and I hope this looks really cute after I'm done. So I just finished sticker bombing my laptop. Oh my goodness, I love how it turned out. I'm just so happy with it. It seriously looks so cute and I feel like it's so personalized to me now. So here is a quick little overview. I spent like 10 minutes beforehand, before placing all the stickers on here, planning out where I wanted the stickers. I showed you guys in the clips that I had a few different options that I wanted to do, and I love how I left a few blank spots just in case I get some new stickers. They're seriously so stinking cute, and I love all the colors of it, and I just feel like it's so me, and I'm so happy about this. So I would love to know in the comments down below if you guys have stickers on your laptop. Let me know what your favorite sticker is. I think that'd be really fun. I do respond back to every single comment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys liked it, and if you're new to my channel and haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys.